Hi and welcome to Andy's Online English for another free video lesson. Now the topic of today is time expressions. Now we use time expressions to show when we do something. So for example, every day or on Saturday or at 10 o'clock in the morning, once in a while, at Christmas, once in a blue moon. That means not a lot. We covered that in a previous video lesson. Now, where do we put time expressions in sentences? They must go either at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of a sentence. So let's look at some examples of that. Now this sentence here, I usually eat pizza. That is fine, it's grammatically correct. But if we give it a time expression, it would have a little bit more meaning. So if we put a time expression on that, let me bring this up. So now we've used the time expression at weekends. Now we've used it at the beginning of the sentence, so we must follow it with a comma. So now at weekends, comma, I usually eat pizza. And now the sentence makes a bit more sense. Now we're going to look at putting the time expression at the end of the sentence. Behind there. So now we've put it at the end. So I usually eat pizza at weekends. So I usually eat pizza at weekends. Now, when you put the time expression at the end of the sentence, there is no comma this time. Okay, so let's look at another example. And now we've got the sentence, I always go to the beach. Now again, grammatically it's correct, but a time expression would make it a bit more sensible. So let's have a look and bring up the sentence that's hidden somewhere here. Let's get the black color, I think, for this one. So now we've put the time expression in summer and we've put it at the beginning of the sentence. So again, we must use the comma. So now we've got in summer, I always go to the beach. So again, it gives it a bit more clarity. And now we're going to put in summer at the end of the sentence. But the sentence, the meaning will be exactly the same. So now it says, I always go to the beach in summer. So let me just highlight the in summer red. And again, when the time expression is at the end of the sentence, there is no comma. So I always go to the beach in summer. And now it is a bit more clear. Okay, so I hope that's useful. Thanks very much for watching. Stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you again for another free video on Andy's Online English. Bye for now.